Alden Richard update. Ito yung pagdating ni Alden. Congrats kay Alden, box office hero sa 8th Edis Entertainment Editor Choice Award. Yun know. Ang gwapo ni Alden.
This is an honor
and award ni Alden.
We're very happy po, of course, and grateful to the Edis and the members of Speed for this recognition. Nakakatawa lang po na kahit last year pa po yung pelikula namin, it's still being recognized. And I think we should be proud of ourselves po that we were able to, bring up and make history with this film. So, ipapasalamat po ako sa mga people who's responsible for it, especially my bosses, JMA Pictures po, Ms. Annette, Ms. Nessa, thank you so much. And first to Sir Carlo, of course, ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat po for the opportunity, and I hope that sana po, isa lang naman po talaga ang pangarap ko as of this moment. And sana po talaga magmura na po ang tickets ng sinehan. Para mas marami pong ganahang producers, mga gumagawa po ng pelikula, at para mas marami rin pong makanood ng mga kababayan natin, not only here, but especially po abroad. So with this award po, maraming salamat po again to the 8th Edis. And I think last year po, I was also an awardee. Kaya lang po siguro baka may schedule po tayo nun. Pero maraming salamat po for another year of recognition. And I hope this won't be the last. Thank you so much.
And pagbaba ni Alden sa stage, may pinuntahan si Alden doon. Sila Ogie Diaz.
Sacrifices made, dreams fulfilled, and finding oneself. Isang balik-tambalang kinabangan at kwentong puno ng hugot ang
pinagdala ng mga
manonood.
This year's Box Office Heroes Award is presented to the stars of Unhappy for You, Joshua Garcia and Julia Pareto.
Tabi pala sila ni Marian, si Alden at si Marian Rivera. And seatmate.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Edis at ng Speed, syempre sa stars na mga.
Ayan, binati rin ni Alden si Miss Julia Barreto. Nanalo din ng award ng Box Office Hero. Ayan, pati siya yan.
Isang pagpupugay sa husa ng Pinoy as we present the Box Office Hero
si Alden
to the stars of Green Bones, Ruru Madrid, and Dennis Trillo.
Handing out the award from Speed, are you?
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.